Firstly, Sean, birthday was yesterday or today?
Yesterday.
So belated happy birthday to you, and you won the test match, gone 1-up. It's gone exactly to plan. Batted first, the spinners came into play, reverse swing, the bowlers did your job, and the batters did well enough.
And with a lot of challenges in the middle, I think you have to give credit to South Africa. They kept coming back in the game. We had moments where we could get away, but like I said before the series, they're a great measuring stick for us because they're world champions, and world champions don't give up. But I think credit to our team that we kept going, we built enough margins where we could have the upper hand today, and I'm glad we finished it off.
The spinners do take the laudits, but Shaheen Shah Afridi getting the ball to reverse. Even Hassan Ali got the ball to reverse, but the spell today from Shaheen Shah Afridi, very heartening. Got his pace up, got the ball to do stuff, and that's sort of one more armor in your bowling attack.
I think historically, we've always played on such surfaces, maybe even more docile, and we've produced fast bowlers that have gotten wickets on these surfaces as well. So we've never thought, even when we've gone spin heavy, we've always played a seamer or two, and we've always wanted reverse swing to be in play. Obviously, it takes time when you try and change the nature of the pitch, of the grounds. But I think it's very important to have our seamers with us, because when you play test cricket or a test championship, it's a collective effort. And Shaheen coming in today, bowling that spell, Hassan Ali in his short burst, but also being understanding that sometimes they only bowled an over or two, and then we had to bring the spinners back on. And look, the spinners did well. They've been short of match practice a bit. Sajid's been unlucky with his injury, but I thought him bowling about 50 overs in the game, and then Noman is Noman. So plenty of encouraging signs. We've got a couple of seamers in sort of on the bench as well, and a couple of spinners as well. So that sort of creates the right armory going forward.
How important was it to win the first test of your season and of the World Test Championship? Obviously, a lot of pressure then gets released.
Obviously, I think you always have to start well, and like I said, it's a great opportunity playing the team that won the previous Test Championship. So for us, we're very excited to be back home, to be playing Test cricket, and to start off with a win. I think that's a great start. But look, one game at a time. We've closed it off here today, and on to the next one now.
I've heard that you had a couple of cakes yesterday, a coffee cake and an apple cake. Will there be another one?
How did you know that?
I know everything. I will usually have another one today.
But I think yesterday I didn't cut any cakes because we were still quite in a tense position.
So all today.
So all today, hopefully, with Babar.
Very well played. See you in Pindi.
Thank you.